Hi angels, welcome back to another DIY. So in this video we are making some custom Tom and Jerry sneakers. I will leave down below in the description box where you can buy these iron-on patches. These sneakers I got from Dollar General, they're only $10. And you're gonna need a mini iron, and that's basically all you're gonna need. This is pretty simple. I'm using the same method that I've used in my other videos because I've done this a few times. Really simple. And in this one we're actually going to need a scissor so that we can separate them. So that's what we're doing right here. Just cutting it, and then all you're going to do is place it however you want to place it on the sneakers, and then with the little iron you're just going to iron it on. This takes only 2 seconds because the iron is really hot, so the heat is what's going to transfer it onto the sneakers, so it doesn't take long to do it. I'm pressing down on it instead of rubbing the iron across because I don't want it to shrivel up and I don't want it to be crumpy or anything like that. And I'll make sure that everything can transfer onto the sneaker, so that's why I'm doing it this way. It does take a little longer, but I want it to be perfect, so that's why I'm doing it this way. After I'm finished with this step, the next thing I'm going to do is just run the iron over it because I know that it's on there properly. So if I run the iron over it, it's not going to do anything to it. It's just like a little extra reassurance before I pull it off. So yep, that's what we're doing. By the way, when there's a lot of heat, the plastic will start lifting up by itself, so you don't need to worry about that. That just simply mean that it has transferred onto the sneakers. So, and now it's time to pull it off so that you guys can see how it looks. I think I already pulled off that one. Let's see. But we're gonna be doing the other side. I decided to do both sides. Don't know why, but I guess I was just being extra today. We're just gonna be repeating the same step, and yeah, this is basically the whole video. Now it's time to peel it off. Look at that. And if you're peeling it off, you're realizing that it's starting to lift up, just place the iron on top of it again. Simply mean that it didn't get enough heat, and voila. You just peel it off and you're good to go. Voila, turned out perfect. And I placed it on both sides. So we're gonna be doing the exact same step to the other pair of sneakers, and this is basically it. Looks perfect. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. So this is how the sneakers turned out. I hope that you guys like it. If you do, comment down below, and